With Samsung's most premium Galaxy Note series being left out for good, the S series remains the main flagship lineup for Samsung, and their S21 Ultra still sits amongst the best smartphones of 2021. Following the trail, Samsung is likely to launch the next generation of the smartphone with some more upgrades. Recent leaks about the device suggest massive redesign of the body and camera section, built-in S Pen housing, and many more. In today's video, we will be showing you all the latest leaks about the Galaxy S22 Ultra and its upcoming features. So, without any further ado, let's dive in. A black backplate was shared on the Chinese social site Weibo referring to the S22 Ultra, and it shows 5 holes, probably for the cameras to poke through. This also suggests that we're going to see a whole new redesign for the upcoming phone. Based on the information, Let's Go Digital shared a render of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and it looks amazing. Previously, it was rumored that the smartphone is likely to have either a P-shaped or 11-shaped camera, but none of them seems good enough in front of this newly leaked design. It's going to be more like the Galaxy A32's camera frame. Coming to the display section, Mori QHD, a reliable source, shared that the S22 will feature a 6.06-inch screen and a 6.55-inch display for the S22 Plus. However, the S22 Ultra gets the bigger 6.81-inch LTPO display. Moreover, the actual size of the upcoming Galaxy S22 Ultra is likely to be wider than its predecessor for accommodating the stylus pen. Yep, you heard that right. Unlike the S21 Ultra that supports S Pen, which you need to buy externally, Samsung may provide the S Pen with the S22 Ultra. This will undoubtedly lessen up the hassle of carrying the stylus. As for the internal specs, the upcoming phones are rumored to rock the latest Exynos 2200 with an integrated AMD GPU inside. This is likely to give a huge boost to the Samsung processor, and based on what Ice Universe said, Samsung has already tested the AMD GPU in the new Exynos chipset. Besides, the chipset is also expected to feature ray tracing technology for high-quality rendering while gaming. This was earlier confirmed by AMD CEO Dr. Lisa Su at the Computex 2021 event. So, gaming with the smartphone is surely going to be more exciting than ever. Another tweet from Ice Universe claimed that Samsung is going to offer a 5000 mAh battery capacity with the S22 Ultra, and for charging this powerful device, you will get a 45 watts of charging brick. He also shared that it would take only 35 minutes to get up to 70% charge even with such a huge battery capacity. Though there isn't much news about the exact launching date of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, rumors suggest that Samsung is going to host an Unpacked event in the month of January next year, and we might see the S22 Ultra getting launched at that event. However, with the launching of the iPhone 13 and Google Pixel series, it's time for Samsung to up their Samsung game if they want to rule the smartphone market. And with the next generation Exynos chipset combined with a higher refresh rate display, the Galaxy S22 phones have a real chance to shine. What do you think of the upcoming smartphone? Let us know in the comments below. Like and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.